In the book, there's many more.
But it is the only country in the world, let me repeat, it is the only country in the world that has declared water independence. It is now a water superpower. It is not dependent on its neighbors, and it is not dependent on the weather. And it has done that using a few different technologies. One, desalination. Israel has 5 desalination plants around the country. One. And incidentally, Israeli company, a company by the name of IDE has built the largest desalination plant in the Western Hemisphere in California. It has also built the largest desalination plant in India and in China. So one, you have here desalination coming to into the taps of every Israeli. One. Two, drip irrigation. It's an idea that came into play in the 1950s or 60s. Really, it took a while for it to come into play. Essentially, this technology is used by over 1 billion people in the world, slowly drip, 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 using water from these plastic tubes. It essentially uses 1/3 of the water, and it doubles the yield of crops. So that's the second way. The third way, when we flush our toilets, okay, it has become one of the most valuable commodities. Israel removes the waste, it recycles and cleans that water 5 times, and it recycles 90% of that water. And it is now being used for irrigation.
Up next, Avi Jorisch.